Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to discuss the much-anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that's already generating significant buzz. With its luxurious design and powerful features, let's explore what makes this smartphone so compelling. Striking design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is sure to turn heads with its stunning titanium gold finish. This choice of color not only adds a touch of elegance but also makes the device stand out in a sea of smartphones. The titanium gold combines the strength of titanium with a high-end sheen, creating a premium feel that's hard to ignore. Samsung has taken design a step further by minimizing the bezels around the screen. The incredibly thin symmetrical bezels are a major highlight, enhancing the device's visual appeal by allowing the display to dominate the front. This design achieves an almost bezel-less experience, providing a more immersive viewing area, ideal for watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. These ultra-thin symmetrical bezels serve a dual purpose. First, they allow for a more expansive display, reducing obstructions for a better viewing experience. Second, their uniformity contributes to a balanced and aesthetically pleasing look, aligning perfectly with modern design trends. Lightweight and ergonomic. In addition to its striking appearance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed for ease of use. It features a lightweight frame that enhances comfort during prolonged usage. The flat frame design, reminiscent of Apple's iPhone models, not only boosts the modern aesthetic but also offers a sturdy and balanced feel, making navigation seamless whether you're texting or gaming. Powerful specifications. Performance-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be a powerhouse. Rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, this device is designed to handle demanding applications and multitasking with ease. For gamers, content creators, or anyone who relies on their smartphone for various tasks, this chipset promises to deliver smooth performance. Furthermore, the device is anticipated to include a dedicated S Pen slot, appealing to productivity enthusiasts and those who appreciate the fine control that a stylus provides. This integration underscores Samsung's commitment to blending functionality with style, making the Galaxy S25 Ultra a versatile tool for work and leisure. Anticipated release date. The release of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is highly awaited, with a launch window expected in early next year, likely between January and March. While the exact date hasn't been disclosed, this timing is strategic for several reasons. Launching in January allows Samsung to capture consumer interest after the holiday season when many are eager to invest in new technology. Additionally, an early-year release helps avoid competition with other major products launched during the holiday season. Aligning the launch with significant tech events, such as the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, also provides Samsung an excellent platform to showcase its innovations, maximizing media attention and industry buzz. Conclusion. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an exciting addition to the smartphone landscape. With its luxurious titanium gold finish, ultra-thin bezels, lightweight design, a dedicated S Pen slot, and powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, it perfectly balances style and functionality. As we near the release date, more details will emerge, making this an exciting time for tech enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in technology.